Hi, my name's Anita. I'm a library assistant with the Denton Public Library. I maintain the seed library here at the Emily Fowler Central Library. Our seed library works as a seed exchange program. At the beginning of each growing season, a household can take 5 packets to grow at home. Then at the end of a growing season, donate seeds from their harvest if possible. Our goal is to help beginners start a garden and be a resource for local gardeners. Check in February when I restock vegetables so gardeners can start their seeds indoors early. Then I always restock our native wildflowers in the fall. And that's just one of the many services that we offer here at the Denton Public Library.
My name is Laura Douglas. I'm one of the Special Collections librarians here at the Emily Fowler Central Library, and I wanted to show you our yearbook collection. We have yearbooks from the colleges, high schools, middle schools, and a few of the elementaries. The yearbooks are a great way to take a walk down memory lane. Whether you're looking for your high school picture, your grandparents, or your parents, you get to see their hairstyles, their fashions, all the businesses advertised in the back of the yearbooks. So there's pictures as well as advertisements. So if you're researching your family history or Denton history, the yearbook collection at the Emily Fowler Central Library is a great way to discover more.